No hitting. Reese's sleeping. Leave her alone. Say nice. Can you pat Reese? Say pat. Say nice.
Nice.
Say night-night, Reese.
Nice.
You want to come over and pat her? Give her a little kiss on her cheek. Give her a little kiss. Aw, say night-night. Are you ready for night-night, Tay? Taylor, are you ready for night-night? You want to go night-night? Are you ignoring me? Okay, let's go night-night. Oh! You want to put baby to bed?